Understanding idioms. Blow smoke. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, blow smoke. If you've heard this phrase before and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's clear the air and get to the bottom of this expression. When someone says they're blowing smoke, it doesn't mean they're literally exhaling smoke. Instead, this idiom means to exaggerate, mislead, or deceive. It often implies that someone is talking about something in a way that makes it seem better or more important than it really is, usually to gain some advantage. The phrase, blow smoke, has an intriguing origin. It's believed to come from the magic tricks where smoke would be used to conceal something from the audience, creating an illusion or hiding the truth. This is symbolic of what the phrase means: covering up reality with pretty words or distractions. Now, let's put it into practice. You can say, "He's just blowing smoke," if you think someone is not being honest or is overstating their abilities. It's often used in a skeptical context. For example, "Don't trust him. He's known for blowing smoke to get what he wants." To understand better, here are some examples. During the meeting, it felt like the manager was blowing smoke about the company's success to impress the shareholders. Politicians are often accused of blowing smoke when they make promises they might not keep. So, there you have it. Blowing smoke is all about deceit and exaggeration. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning behind this common English idiom. Remember, understanding idioms is a great way to enrich your language skills. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, and keep learning.